Hi guys, Lorenzo here from sold7.ca. I'm at 69 Pembroke and I want to show you this lovely Victorian row home. Here we go.
So this is a beautiful home, you guys. I absolutely love it. It retains a tremendous amount of its original character while still having tasteful renovations. Super high ceilings. We're talking about 9 feet at least. Okay. Very nice foyer. And then in here we have the formal dining room. Exceptionally decorated as well. Exposed brick walls. We have a main floor powder room, renovated kitchen, stainless steel appliances, brass fixtures. And we do have a deck in the backyard, however it is very dark, so you won't be able to see much. But it is a spacious backyard with plenty of room for the kiddos to play, or the dog. Okay, so now we're gonna go upstairs. Let's walk through this room one more time. Gorgeous. Wide staircase. Nice spacious landing here. This is 4 bedrooms. This bedroom to the left is being used as an office. It does have its own fireplace. And it has its own bathroom. Okay. This is the master ensuite. This is all closet space for clothes. Stand-up shower as well. And then let's go on to the last floor. Beautiful barn doors separating the rooms a little bit. And then we have a small balcony up there as well. And this is the last room here. Very spacious rooms. Probably can't see up there. A little balcony as well. And we have a closet over here. These beautiful barn doors. 100% functional. Okay. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed the tour. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to comment below. And if you could hit that like button and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Lorenzo from sold7.ca. Bye.